Hey there, ladies. Welcome back to Muscle Memory Health. Today, we're focusing on something that every woman wants to work on, the booty. But what if I told you that you can achieve a toned, lifted, and strong booty without leaving your home? That's right. No gym, no expensive equipment needed. Just dedication, consistency, and the right exercises. But here's the thing. Achieving the perfect shape and size doesn't happen overnight. So, let's dig deeper. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of a firmer, rounder, and stronger booty? Stick around until the end, because I've got a bonus tip that will supercharge your results. Before we dive into the workout, we need to activate those glutes. Warming up helps prevent injuries and ensures maximum activation. Ready? Let's start with some glute bridges. Lay down on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Press your heels into the mat as you lift your hips towards the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes at the top and slowly lower back down. Do 15 reps. Why is this important? This simple move wakes up the muscles that we're about to target. You see, the glutes are a big muscle group, and sometimes they need a little wake-up call to get going. Now that we're warmed up, let's jump into the first exercise, squats. It might sound basic, but let me tell you, it's a game changer. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up and lower your hips as if you're sitting into a chair. Make sure your knees don't extend past your toes. Push through your heels as you rise. Keep your core tight throughout. To target your glutes more, pause at the bottom for a second before rising. This slight hold increases tension on your glutes and amplifies muscle activation. Next, we've got glute kickbacks. If you want to feel the burn, this is the move. Get on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Lift one leg up, keeping the knee bent, and kick it back towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Pro tip, don't arch your back. Keep your core engaged to prevent strain. Perform 15 reps on each leg. You'll feel this one in your glutes, but trust me, it's worth it. Now for a killer exercise that really isolates the glutes. Bulgarian split squats. These will challenge your stability and target your glutes like no other. Place one foot behind you on an elevated surface and lower your back knee toward the floor while keeping your front knee directly above your ankle. Push through the front heel as you rise. Do 12 reps per leg. Here's the secret. Focus on keeping your chest up and your core tight. The deeper you go, the more you'll feel that stretch and squeeze in your glutes. Let's finish strong with one of the most effective exercises for booty building, donkey kicks. Get into a tabletop position, knees under hips, hands under shoulders. Kick one leg straight up toward the ceiling, keeping your knee bent at 90 degrees. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then lower back down. Here's the twist. You can add ankle weights or resistance bands for a greater challenge. Start with 15 reps per leg. All right, you've powered through the workout, but here's the real secret to seeing faster results. It's not just about the exercises. It's about what you do after the workout. Maximize glute growth. You need to fuel your body with the right nutrition. I'm talking about protein. After your workout, make sure you get a good source of protein. Chicken, fish, or even a plant-based option. This helps your muscles recover and grow faster. And don't forget to give yourself a little rest. Your muscles need time to repair, and that's when the real magic happens. You've done it! Congratulations on completing this big booty workout for women. Remember, consistency is key. Keep pushing yourself, and soon you'll see those glutes transforming. If you enjoyed this workout, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing fitness tips. What exercise did you feel the most? And don't forget to hit that notification bell because you won't want to miss what's coming next.